Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Fillet, and Extruded Cut. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make this face here. So to create this sketch, we have the dimensions here. So the distance between this line here and this one, 60 millimeters. The distance between this line here and this one is 150 millimeters, and here is 20 millimeters, the distance here, and the distance between these two lines here is 15 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to sketch and select the right plane and select the line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here. Okay, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here, 15, 20 millimeters here, 60 millimeters here, and 150 millimeters here. We made this sketch, okay? So go to Features and select Extruded Boss Base. And we need to extrude this 8 millimeters. So the direction here, select mid-plane and the distance 8 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now let's create the fillets. And we have a fillet here with 20 millimeters of radius. And the fillet here with 15 millimeters of radius, okay? So go to fillet, the fillet type, select the constant and select this edge and this edge here. The radius here is 20 millimeters, press OK. And go to fillet again, select this edge here and this edge. The radius here is 15 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create these two holes here. This hole is concentric with this arc and the diameter is 15 millimeters of diameter. So to create this, we use the Extruded Cut. So go to Sketch and select this face, select the circle, put the mouse here in this edge to find the center, make a circle here. Make the same in the other side. And now, select the circle, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this circle, and add relation. The relation here will be equal. And go to Smart Dimension. The diameter here is 15 millimeters. And finish the sketch and go to Features and select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select through all and press OK. We made this to cut here. And now we need to create this slot. This arc of the slot is concentric with this fillet, okay? And this slot has 90 millimeters by 20. So let's create this. Go to Sketch and select this face and select straight slot. Find the center of this arc, click here, make a slot here, make the same here in this side, find the center and create another slot here, okay? And go to Smart Dimension. The distance between these two lines, 20 millimeters, and this line here has 90 millimeters of length. And now select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, add relation equal, press OK. And select this arc, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, and add relation equal, and press OK. And now go to Features and select Extruded Cut. And the cut here can be through all this body. It is through all here. and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.